Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius air sign. This is my weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Guys, this is general. If it is resonates, it's okay. Otherwise, don't force to fit. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Aquarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Wow, under the deck, Knight of Swords, Two of Cups and Ten of Pentacles. Someone is rushing to communicate with you. This person could be a past person. For some, it could be a new person, depending upon your situation. But this person is in rush to talk to you. And there is love and it's mutual between both of you. For some, you want to communicate with your person or you want to communicate with someone. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Six of Wands, Eight of Swords and Hierophant. I think you are focusing on your work and you are getting recognition for your hard work. Six of Wands, you are getting success for your hard work. But in relationship wise, you're feeling stuck. I think there are some issues between you and your person. And you are unable to make any move or any action towards your person because you are feeling stuck. There are some commitment issues between you and your person. Maybe you are very committed to this person, but they are in and out of your life. Maybe for some, one person is already married in this connection because the Hierophant card is here. And present Four of Swords, Page of Wands and Six of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take, guys, in this connection. Maybe they treated you as an option or as a choice. But some communication is coming. They want to someone want to text you. I think it's your person. Page of Wands. For some, you both have age differences also. But you are undergoing some healing process. You are healing yourself. You are doing meditation to heal yourself. But you are also thinking about them. Because Four of Swords energy. But you are not communicating. But you are thinking. Future Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Cups and Ace of Cups. Definitely for some, a new person entering in your life, a new love is coming. And Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, for some, maybe this new person will offer commitment to you because Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings. But you are confused. You are confused because you don't know which one to choose. Seven of Cups. Maybe you have options. Aquarius, you are in some confusion state. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Aquarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Under the deck, Nine of Cups with Page of Swords. I think they are wishing for this connection. They are also in some confusion state and they are spying on you. Definitely they are spying. They are wondering about you and they are wishing for this connection. So let's see their current feelings. Aquarius. Again, Nine of Cups under the deck. So, Ten of Cups. Yeah, definitely they want this Ten of Cups happiness with you. But right now they are holding back. They are not expressing their true feelings to you. But Chariot, yes, they want to make a move towards you. But they are in very, very slow moving energy. And the person involved in this connection could be Chariot. They are spying on you. They are watching you. But to make action, they are in very slow moving. Yes. So let's see their intentions. Again, Seven of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, Tower with King of Cups and Page of Wands. Communication, definitely communication coming in, and King of Cups, yes, they do love you. Definitely there is love, but they are not expressing their feelings to you. And Seven of Cups, yeah, maybe they're in some confusion also. For some, maybe your person have options, but Knight of Pentacles, again, they want to come back, but right now they're in very very slow moving energy. Your person is also in some confusion state, and if you are in separation right now, the Tower moment, definitely your person going through some Tower moment. For some, maybe they have family issues or work pressure. Definitely they're going through something in their life, but they are thinking about you seriously. They want to communicate with you, and yes, they do love you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Especially Cancer. But they're taking it very, very slow. Aquarius. Very slow. Yeah, Two of Cups. Two of Swords. See, there is love, but there are some crossroads. They are in some confusion. They have to make decision before coming towards you. Yeah, it's a mutual love. It's not a one-sided love. It's a mutual love. You both love each other a lot, but your person have to make some decision. Yes, Queen of Wands with Seven of Swords. Maybe some trust issues. Maybe in past they cheated on you, lied to you, or miscommunication, false communication. Maybe they scared for rejection also. And Queen of Wands, definitely they're making a plan to make action, because Queen of Wands is action card. For some, your person is very aggressive or dominative in nature. Yeah, you also love them. Definitely this is mutual love. You also have strong emotions towards this person, but you are feeling overburdened because you wanted the person always taking care of this relationship. Maybe for some, you decided to move on from this person because they are taking it very very slow. Maybe you are fed up with that energy. I think you both are on the same page. See, Ten of Swords. You both love each other, you both missing each other, but not taking any action. But they are taking, but very very slow. Mutual energies, yes, this connection right now stuck. And Ten of Swords, maybe, yeah, you both want rebirth, but you both feeling stuck. There is no movement in this connection. And yes, maybe for some, you will receive text or communication from your person, and but lot of passion between both of you, but communication. Yes, for some, a new person is entering in your life. Someone is rushing to, I think the communication coming from someone is from your new person. So let's see some messages from your person through the channel, Aquarius. Maybe for some, you will receive text or message from your person, and also it depends. But I think new love, new person is entering. You are the only one for me. I realized my mistake. Separation. Yeah, for some, you both are in separation right now. You are pure perfection. Healing. Yeah, the messages are, I have regrets. You are the only one for me. I realized my mistake. Separation. You are pure perfection, and healing. These are the messages from your person, and take what resonates. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for Aquarius. Bring love into the situation. New Moon in Aquarius. And it's time to take action. New Moon in Aries. So for some who want to take action towards your person, this is the message for you. It's time to take action, especially when New Moon in Aries, and bring love into the situation. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.